I want you to genuinely think about this. What did you do in 2023? Or a better question, what didn't you do in 2023? Look, it could have been way worse, but 2023 is not over yet. You still have time to make something out of 2023. While everyone else is waiting for the last day of New Year's resolutions, use that time to still push and make something out of 2023. All of them can't be motivated for anything in their life, so they have to wait for some new year for New Year's resolution, and then they do it for 2 days, and then they go back to being a loser. Use those days as an advantage, because I know you can do it. Instead of counting every day, make every day count. Delay your gratification, learn things, invest in yourself. Make the most out of your days, lean out your comfort zone so you can learn so much more and apply it in your life and become more successful. Set the goals you would have done on New Year's and do it right now. Take action steps to get towards those goals. I don't care if I sound like some dumb teacher, some dumb motivation speaker. Do the things I know. Don't hope and say, oh, it's just another one of those YouTubers making some motivation video. Do the work I know you can do. I don't care if a million other people said this. You need to hear this. You need to listen to this. It sounds like some easy basic stuff. Yeah, anyone can make a video about, anyone could do. Why don't you do it? Why are you still scrolling on YouTube, going through millions and millions of videos, spending hours of your time when you could be using that to do something in your life? That's probably why you didn't do a lot in 2023. And that's why all of them didn't do a lot in 2023. But you still have time, because I know you're watching videos like these and you have potential. It doesn't take a lot to make a change. You can change your whole life 180 in one day by start doing good habits and start doing bad habits. Do the things that you know are right for your life. Think about your future self. Think about yourself at the end of the year when you look back again like you did in 2023 and see, wow, did I make something out of it, or did I be a loser like everyone else? I don't even care if this is repetitive. I don't care if you heard this the millionth time. You need to hear this. You need to actually make something out of your days, make something out of your years, because you're gonna die one day and have so many regrets if you don't start doing stuff right now. So don't click off this video right now after you heard that. Do something in your life. You can click off this video, do some push-ups. I don't care. Look at that deer. He is improving his life, doing stuff. Think about yourself in 10 years, where you want to be. I know you have a lot of goals. I know you're an ambitious person. I know you have the potential to do it. So think about it. Is where you are right now going to lead you to where you are in 10 years, where you want to be in 10 years, living in some island on Thailand, making money, being some successful entrepreneur? Start doing the things you know are right. 2024 is your year, bro. Make it count. Make all the other years of your life way worse than 2024. Don't click off this video being motivated for one day and then falling back to your old habits. Still do the things that you know are right for you. You can actually make something out of your life. Don't be on your deathbed regretting so many things that you could have done. You could have started a little YouTube channel. You could have made this little side hustle and got some money. You could got outside and saw some cool deers. You could have started working out and improving your body. It's way better than scrolling on YouTube doing bad habits, because when you start to put in the work, when you start to do things that will improve your life, it'll be way more fun, it'll be way more enjoyable than all of those bad habits in the first place. Stop seeking the fake version of all the video games, the junk food, the prawn. Start making your life a video game. It's time to level up, bro. I don't know what you're waiting for. I don't know what you're trying to do to get motivated. Do the things you know are right. Make 2024 an actual good year. 2024, bro. 2024. Four. It's already 2024. And you could be like, oh, the time's flying. Wow, time changes so much. You could sit and get starstruck in all the time passing by, or actually do something. Do something that I know you can do. I'm not even going to tell you to subscribe to my channel. Watch this video. Just please do something. Make 2024 count, because I know you can do it. I don't care what your excuse is. You can do it. See you later. Peace. I'll see you when you improve your life more and make a change in your life. I'll see you later. Peace. Please do something. Don't click off this video and go back to your bad habits. See you later. Peace.